Now that we're into this, let's go ahead and clean our Nebula Cloud up just a little bit. As you can see here, I have a lot of bleed through and stuff like this, and I kind of like this part down here, but I'm not so crazy about this up here. So I'm going to just go ahead and get rid of this. I'm going to go ahead and leave this linked. I'm going to go ahead and hit eraser, which now it's not allowing me to do. Let's go up here. There we go. And when I start erasing, what it should do, and what it's not doing, is erasing that what I'm looking for. Let's go ahead and erase this part here. There we go. Now I've got it on fade eraser, so let's change our eraser. You can actually key in our strength of our opacity. Let's go ahead and hit 100. There we go. And holding down our shift key and our, there we go. Well, that says that it's as far soft as it's going to be. Let's go ahead and increase the size a little bit. Always remember to use your shortcut keys. Those work best for us. Let's go ahead and just cut some of this out. There we go. I don't want to take out, I want to take out a good bit, but I don't want to take out too much. There we go. There we go. It's starting to look more what I'm looking for right here. There we go. That's the cloud I'm looking for right there. That'll work perfectly. Let's clean some of this up back here. Wonderful. Let's go ahead and exit this brush. Go back into our pick tool. There we go. Now what we need to do is we need to add a little bit more stars, some more foreground stars. So let's create a new layer. Actually, I created two here by accident by double clicking, but that's fine. Let's go ahead and rename this layer. Oops, cancel. Oh, come on. Whatever. We'll just go ahead and go into our brush tool. We're going to go ahead and hit D and X, and there we go. Now we have a white palette here. Now let's go ahead and bring our dot down a little bit. Let's go ahead and let's Control Z that out. Now let's go ahead and key in. Now with your number pad, you can key in your brush opacity. So let's go ahead. All you got to do is just type it. So let's go ahead and set this to 80. That's better. That's a lot softer star. There we go. Now we can just come through here and manually add some stars that really catch our imagination here and make our photo flow just a little bit. Let's go ahead and take us down. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get out of here. We'll pick this back up in the next part.